Exercise 2.1. I'll say the A part. You look at the dialogue book and read the B part. Dialogue number 1. Baby is hungry. Give her milk. It's not yet 10, but feed her. She is hungry. Dialogue number 2. This fish is stale. Fry them. There is a little oil in the can. Use that. Dialogue number 3. Today there is sun. Get all your clothes dried. They are in the room. Put them on the line. Dialogue number 4. Get the channel clearer. Put it on little louder. It's my brother's. He brought it from Singapore. Dialogue number 5. Here, keep some water for tea. The stove is just burning. How much do you need? Dialogue number 6. Where are you going? Lunch is ready. Come soon. Dialogue number 7. Close the windows. It's raining. Take the umbrella with you. Dialogue number 8. Wash that bed sheet. It's very dirty. Don't you see? Dialogue number 9. Nimal has 2 kids. Why don't you ask him? It's all right. What's there in it? Dialogue number 10. Sew her a dress. Tomorrow is her birthday. Yes, August 1st. She is 9 tomorrow. Dialogue 11. Don't add water. There is enough water in it. It's enough. Don't you see? Dialogue number 12. Peel the onions and slice them thinly. Look well, they are inside the basket. Dialogue number 13. Don't sing. This is a classroom. Mind that. Next time I'll put you out. Remember that. Dialogue number 14. Don't sleep here. This is not a place to sleep in. Go in and sleep. That's right. But you often fall asleep here. Dialogue number 15. Wash your clothes and then bathe. You don't have any clothes to wear. Water is running over. Go and bathe. Dialogue number 16. Cut a mango and eat. I have bought them for you. Why won't you eat them? They are very good. Taste one and see.